mithaiga nirurutite mukana wa kuongerereka kwa ikuu na makiria iria ciongererekete kumana na uhuthiri muuru wa dawa kuringana kana ari mwena wa machakos mwikariri giti wa kuruta maurutani ruhonge-ini ruu ni Francis Ndemo augite ati ni makiambiriirie mubango kana mitaratara wa gutigirira ni magithomithia muingi iguru ria uhuthiri wa dawa na undu uria augite ni ati ni uguteithiriria hari kuthii kana gwithema na hathara iria ikiumanaga na uthuka kana na guthuka kwa dawa kuona ati ni marikoragwo makimenya hindi iria dawa ici cikiagirwo gukorwo igithuka. Ni riboti tukiharirirwo mwandiki tuti Basia wawajere
ni mukana uria wikitio ni mwikariri giti kia ruhonge rwa kuruta maurutani uhuthiri-ini mwega wa dawa cia thibitari guku bururi-ini Francis Ndemo ni kurumirira wongerereku wa ikuu iria ikoragwo igicungirirwo ni uhuthiri muuru wa dawa cia thibitari.
Francis Ndemo, I'm here as the chairman of the Training and Assessment Technical Committee of the Pharmacy and Process Board. I'm also the Dean of the School of Pharmacy in United States International University. We're here in a workshop. We're trying to develop a document that will guide pharmacy practice in this country. As you all know, medications now are considered as almost a third leading cause of death.
Augite ruhonge ruu ni rwanjitie kwihereria guthondeka mataaro meegie uhuthiri mwega wa dawa ici. Kuringana na Ndemo, mataaro macio ni makuigithia wigiririku hari kuhimbiria ugitiri hari muingi na uheani wa dawa uria kwagiriire.
There's a safety issue and there is also an issue of inappropriate use of all medications. So we're trying to come up with a document or guidelines that will help us to ensure that we give the best of pharmaceutical services for this country.
Oho ni ugite ni gugukorwo na mogaruruku ma ukinyaniria wa dawa hamwe na gutigirira dawa ni ikinyaniirie ikero.
As I said, there is a big issue of drug-related morbidity or deaths that occur from this one. So the guidelines will address the safety issue. There's also the issue, you've had cases where drugs are expiring and are costing billions. There will be an issue of supply chain management. There's also the issue of manufacturing of poor quality products. This will be also partly be addressed.
Niongereire na kuga ni makuruta mataaro kuri endia aheani a dawa chemist-ini niguo gutigirira arwaru ni maramukira motungata mega na dawa iria ciagiriire.
So what we're doing now is to articulate the levels of practice so that we can train the pharmacy personnel to attain those competencies that are required to give the best of care to our patients.
Ni athiete na mbere na kuruta mukana kuri aheani a motungata maya guku akiuga nio magakorwo magicokia ciuria manginyitwo makiaga wigiririku heani-ini wa motungata ma uheani wa dawa uria kwagiriire.
They will be held responsible for what happens to the patient. They will have a shared responsibility, but there is to ensure that the drug therapy the patient are getting is number one, it's most appropriate. Number two, it's as safe as possible. Number three, is the safest possible, and number four, that the patient is able and willing to comply to the instruction to get the best outcome.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV njitagwo Basia wawajere.
Ni ngatho Basia wawajere ni tondu wa riboti iyo na tugicoke nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na ni ati thutha kana